back to my channel, The Sugar Sean. I'm back for another video. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm gonna be doing a affordable luxury haul. Now, I'm all about treating yourself to little bits of luxury wherever you can. I'm actually gonna be doing a video about that really soon, talking about how you can, do little things that make your life seem luxurious every day. Different tips and tricks and hacks that you can do every day to make your life feel luxurious. But today we're doing affordable luxury. I have a Coach bag, Telfar bag, some jewelry pieces, a little bit of everything, so I'm excited about this particular video. If you like luxury unboxings, dating advice, commentary, clothing try-ons, you will love my channel. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and while you're at it, tap that little bell. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now we're gonna jump right to it. Now you probably already see your girl sparkling and shining. Now the pieces that I'm wearing right now are all from a brand called Italo. I've worked with them before, and these are items that I got from previous videos from them, and everything has held up beautifully. I'm gonna put close up so you guys can see what I'm wearing today. Really beautiful quality pieces. They're also reasonably priced. You guys cannot beat the price. It's a 1-year warranty on the pieces, 60-day return, and free worldwide shipping. Now they sent me over some new pieces I'm gonna show you guys, but one thing I love about them is they do not skimp on the packaging. Everything looks luxurious. Look how this looks. So when you get pieces from Italo, along with the pieces that you order, you'll get all of this. You get like a little baggie for your piece. You also get a silver polishing cloth for your silver pieces. You also get tips on disinfecting your pieces. You get a warranty, a 60-day return, and then you also get information telling you more about your piece that you got. So you get a lot of little goodies with this, but like I said, I have two pieces that I want to show you guys. And the first one is in here, and I have this beautiful, stunning ring. Now, I love pink. You guys know pink and black are my favorite colors. And I have this gorgeous ring right here. I'm gonna do close up so you guys can see what everything looks like. But I wanted a ring that had a colored gemstone. And this beautiful little pink ring right here is just stunning. And here is the second piece that I got from them. And it is a gorgeous, oh my goodness, got a little weight to it as well. It's like one of those little like tennis bracelets. Look at that. Look at all the shine and sparkle that you get on this piece. I love that they use sterling silver on their pieces, and they typically use like white sapphires or different gemstones that kind of give you the look and appearance of diamonds, of course without the big heavy price tag. All right, so as you guys see, the quality of the pieces that I got from Italo is absolutely amazing. Just chef's kiss. Be sure to use the code LCS20 for a nice little discount. Huge thank you to them for sending me over all of these goodies and also for sponsoring today's video. I genuinely appreciate it. Look at all this bling. Like, woo! Mama is feeling good with all this bling. Now let's get into the handbags. So if you are a fellow baddie on a budget and you want to shop luxury, but you don't want to break the bank, I definitely recommend things like the Coach outlet online. That's where I found the bag I'm getting ready to show you guys. The only downside is when you shop at the actual like Coach store or department store, you'll get like a Coach bag or maybe even the Coach box or all of that. This one actually came in like a mailer. Not even a box. I'm a little bit disappointed by that, but regardless, I'm going to show you guys what the bag looks like. I'm going to tear this bag open and let's show you guys the actual handbag inside. Okay, so here's the bag. It does have like the Coach bag. Like I said, I got this from the Coach outlet. And here is the bag that I got. Oh yeah, I love the bag. Oh, this is adorable. This is what I wanted. I wanted a bag that had black and brown in it so I could get more use out of it and definitely wear it more versatile. But look at this. It has like a little top handle that makes it so cute and bougie. It does have like shoulder straps. I'm gonna show you guys in just a minute. But here it is in this really nice, has like the standard traditional like Coach print, but I like the black and brown. And I also needed more bags with gold hardware. I'm a silver girl, but I also like the gold hardware as well. Let's check out what it looks like on the inside. It has like all the little, all the memorabilia all over it that tells you that it's Coach. It's stuffed well, so I appreciate that. It has the little label inside to let you know, the typical Coach label, giving you all the information on that tab. Like I said, I got this from the Coach outlet. And here is the shoulder strap. All right, so here you go. You can definitely wear this as a shoulder bag, and because it is adjustable, you can wear it as a crossbody bag as well. But you can also take the strap off of it entirely and just wear it like a doot little dressy bag as well. I love me a good handbag for my bougie moments. This is cute. I definitely like the way that it looks with what I have on today. This little like black top. and wearing this little black and brown Coach bag. If you're looking for affordable luxury, I definitely recommend Coach. Coach has had this huge resurgence with the Coach tabby and all the different styles and prints. Do not sleep on Coach if you are somebody who loves affordable luxury. Now up next, I'm gonna show you guys a Telfar bag. This is actually my 5th Telfar bag. So if you want to see my entire Telfar bag collection, then definitely let me know. And if you have issues with trying to get your hands on one, I know they call them the Bushwick Birkins, but if you have a hard time, I can always get one, and I do have hacks. So let me know if you guys want to see my Telfar bag collection and my hacks to make sure that you secure the bag. All right, let's get that bag up next. Can you guys guess which color I got? Let me know, type it in really quickly and see if you guys are right. What color did I get this time? So Telfar bags come like this when you get them directly from the website. Open this guy up. Here is the Telfar dust bag. And the color that I got, you guys are probably not gonna see this one coming at all from me, but I got it in, oh, I love the color. I got it in this green color. Oh, this is so pretty. Yes, what I'm trying to do is accumulate a whole army of bags that are like a whole rainbow to kind of go with all of my outfits and everything. So I needed green. I don't have a green handbag. So I got this one right here. Now I'm a sucker for the Telfar bag, the shopping tote in a size small, which is what this is. Now this bag for me fits everything. I'm not somebody who carries the kitchen sink with me when I go out and about. So this bag fits everything that I need it to fit. But I like the color. Like here's my iPhone right here. It fits in here, no problem. If you want to add a perfume or something, let's add a perfume just to give you guys an idea of like what all you can fit. Now I would never just put my perfume loose in here, but I just want you guys to kind of get an idea. You can put a perfume in there. You can put a mirror. I have my little Coach mirror, not Coach, my Chanel mirror that I'm gonna throw in here. You can throw in all kinds of stuff, lipstick. To me, it fits plenty. It fits plenty. And I love the fact that you can wear this, you know, kind of on the crook of your arm like this. Well, I love how it looks with the black. You can definitely wear it crossbody. At least I can for my height. I am 4'11", and you can wear it as a shoulder bag. But I love this green color. I love black and white with a pop of color, and I needed a green bag, and I just been loving this green color. You guys watch my last Shein haul, you know that I've been obsessed with the color green. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. All right, that is pretty much it. I'm so excited to be adding these 2 new beauties to my current handbag collection. They're gonna fit in quite beautifully. And also huge thank you to Italo for sending me over these beautiful goodies that I'm gonna be adding to my jewelry collection. And I'll be sure to link them below. Definitely be sure to use the code LCS20 to get a nice little discount. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to do a Telfar bag video showing my current Telfar collection that has 5 bags in it, and also my tips, tricks, and hacks for how you can secure the bag. It's very hard to get bags. I done found me a life hack, okay? And I'll share it with you if you want, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. This is Honey.